right. We're at the end of our dinner, huh, Leo? And you keep doing the uh-oh when you drop your water. I want to see if we can get it on video. There it is. Let's show them one more time, baby. Oh, what do we say? Huh? You forgot the words. That's what we're trying to show them. Everyone knows you can throw your water bottle. Don't we want uh-oh? Yeah. Oh, you're going to give me a piece? Thank you. Excuse you. Uh-huh. Hi. Aw, thank you for the piece, sweet boy. You want another bite of sweet potato? He says, heck yeah, I do, Mama. There we go. All right. Bye-bye, everybody. Yeah, where is it? Oh, that's where it lives a lot of the time now.